Jain class 6, how are you? Hope you everyone fine. Class 6 friends, as you know, a great occasion as Diwali is past and now the school is remain open. Okay, so on the virtual classes, only for virtual classes, not for physical classes. Physical classes maybe just start after the chart, maybe, not sure, when the government pass the order. Students of class 6, listen carefully. In the previous chapter, it means the chapter 6, we have to just take a knowledge about an application that name is Publisher 2030. It means in the class 6, in the chapter 6, we just talked about what is the publisher application and which type of work we have to do in the application. Okay. After all, the completing that chapters, it means the question answer about it and the some books work like this, to fill in the blanks, true and falses, and match the following. So maybe, I am not sure, but rest of the things we have to complete it. So that things, it means the question answer, you will just write on your notebook, and after the write, you will just submit that notebook for correction if you just write any word mistake on that. Okay. Now today I am standing in front of you. I am Tarkeshwar sir, and I teach you the computer subject in your class. Okay. As you know, today we just going to talk about a new chapter, the chapter 7, and the name of that chapter is Working with Objects in Publisher 2013. Okay, so it means in these applications, in the Publisher 2013 application, we have to just talk about some additional things those we just do in the inside of applications. Okay, so objects. In the previous topics, this topic is clear that objects is anything. Objects is anything in any application. It may be the text. Okay. It may be the groups. It may be the shapes. It may be the word art. It may be the smart art. Okay. It may be another application open to draw something. Okay. So these are called the objects. It means your publisher application. If you just insert a different things, that's a called the object inside. Okay. Now the first in this topic, we have to just talk about working with shapes. Okay, the first topic is this: working with shapes. Okay. So my question is this: you just work on the MS Paint application. In which application? So MS Paint application. In the MS Paint application, you know how to just draw a rectangle, a circle, a line, arrow, more than the drawings. Okay, more than the drawings objects on the MS Paint application, on MS Paint application. But now here in the MS Publisher, if you just want to create any types of shapes, looks like that, lines, text boxes, rectangles, circular, okay, just angular circles. So you have to just do something for creating of that shapes in your publication. Okay, suppose that it is a publication of yours. You have to open a blank publication. Which one type of publication you have to open? A blank publication you have opened, and on that blank publication, you want to just insert a circle. Insert a circle. For inserting the circle, you must be go where and how. What is the steps to just insert a circle? You just see here the steps for inserting a circle. Steps. Okay. So listen carefully. For inserting anything in the application, a customized box is given in the insert tab. Okay, that groups for inserting a picture, a shapes. Okay, that's in the insert tab. In the insert tab, we have just find the illustration group. Okay, illustration group. In the illustration groups, when you just find the illustration groups, then on there you have just find where is the option is given shapes. Which one option is given? Shapes. In the shapes option, on where in the shapes option, the lot of shapes is given like that text boxes, lines, curves, rectangle, angle, just curves, circles, etc. Okay, various types of symbols are given in the various types of shapes are given in the shapes option. Okay. So, you just select one of them for the drawing. When you just select by the holding of mouse left button, and after that you will draw. Okay. For drawing, how can you just draw? Listen carefully. Suppose that it is your pointer, and you want to just draw. Then on the mouse, it is called the left button. Okay. Which one button? It is called the left button. Hold the left button. What you have to do? Hold the left button and drag. Hold the left button and drag where you just want to create that picture. Suppose that you want to create the circle, then first we hold, and when you just drag, then circle is created. Okay? When the circle is created. So it is a procedure to just insert a shapes by the help of shape option in the insert tab. Again, a thing is this: when we just insert a shapes in the publication, and after that we want to just color it. Okay, there is two types of color you have to fill in a shape, particular shapes. Suppose that in this shape, in the circle shapes, you want to first color. Okay, first is the fill color. Fill color, it means the shape is filled with a color. Okay, and second is outline color. Which one color? Outline color. Okay, outline color, it means the outside lines are called the outline. Okay, suppose that in the shape fill you have to choose a green color. So inside of the shape is green color fillet. Okay. But in the outside of the line, you have to select the yellow color so that the circle lines, it means these lines, these circle lines is visible in where, in which form? The circle lines is visible in the yellow. Okay. So fill color is a features in the format tab. Okay. In the format tab, when you just select the object, automatically a tab is open, that name is a format tab. Okay, on that format tab, you just select the fill color option. By the fill color option, you have to fill. You will fill a color in a particular shape. Okay, and second is the outline color. Outline color, when you just select, if you want to change the lines of the outer, the line goes outer on the shape. Okay, and last in the shapes. Topics those are given in your book, that is called the one more thing, change the shape out, apply shape effect. Okay, shape effect. What is the meaning of shape effect? Anyone know? Suppose that your shape is a circular. Okay, your shape is a circular, and you just transform the shape effect. you want to transfer these shapes in another format, like that shadow format. These shapes, and really now just do the shape. You need to the shadow of that shape, so you just select in the shape effect shadow. Okay. If you need to just change the shape in other, like that reflection. Okay, like that reflection. So in the reflection you also have to just select the, firstly select the shapes, go in the shape effect and go in the shape reflection. In the shape reflection, various types of reflection is views on your screen. You have to choose one for correct it. Okay. So now friends, today my motive is this. Anyhow, you just open a publication application, and on that you have to just open a file, a blank publication, and on there you just try to just draw a particular shape and do the three things. First, shape fill, shape outline color and shape effect. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.